Music Arts Teaching Module 11 Unit 3, Music Creation, I am a Digital Composer. Theme, Music from My Heart, Music for the Universe. Learning Objectives. Students will be able to explore personal ideas to create musical works. Compose and process music using elements of melody, rhythm, harmony, form, and expression. Use music coding platforms, Sonic Pi, Scratch Music, to create digital compositions. Conduct in-depth reflection on the work they create with full awareness and value. Deep Learning Approach. A practical approach in the module. Meaningful Learning. Students explore personal experiences, environmental issues, and cultural values to inspire composition. Mindful Learning. Students are encouraged to reflect and be aware of the meaning of each sound choice, instrument, and structure in music. Joyful Learning. The learning process is made fun, free-flowing, interactive, and inclusive through sound play and digital exploration. V Main Material Introduction to the Role of the Digital Composer. Elements of Music. Melody, rhythm, harmony, tempo, texture. Exploration and introduction to digital composition applications. Basic techniques of looping, layering, sampling, and remixing. Steps in digital music production. Aesthetic values and messages in music. V. Learning activities per meeting. Meeting 1 Me in the Universe. Activity. Icebreaker, discussion of the meaning of music in life and the environment. Activity. Students create a reflective journal about music that describes me and my universe. Tools. Mind mapping, Google Jamboard. Meeting 2 Sound becomes meaning. Activity. Exploration of ambient sounds, field recording. Activity. Students record sounds from nature, school, or home and then create a sound mood board. Tools. Smartphone, BandLab, Soundtrap. Session 3 I'm learning to be a composer. Activity. Introduction to the application and a tutorial on creating beats and loops. Activity. Practice creating 30-second pieces of music based on personal emotions. Tools. BandLab, Soundtrap, LMMS, or Sonic Pi. Session 4 I create my music. Activity. Students begin creating 1 to 3 minute compositions. Activity. Group or individual collaboration, consultation with the teacher. Session 5 I share my music. Activities. Presentation of work in class or on a digital platform. Activities. Peer review and reflection on the meaning of the work. Bonus. Voting for the most expressive, imaginative, and inspiring work. V. Assessment type of assessment. Instrumental technique. Diagnostic. Initial observation. Lead questions and self-reflection. Formative. Worksheets and performance. Sound mood board, looping project. Summative. Final project and presentation. Digital music work, written reflection. 8. Assessment rubric for digital musical works. Aspect score 4, score 3, score 2, score 1. Originality. Very creative, fresh, unique, quite creative and interesting. Cliched ideas or little variation. Copycat or unoriginal. Production technique. Clean and neat production. Fairly good, with minor flaws. Not neat, lacking technique. Messy or haphazard. Musical structure. Very clear and varied. Fairly clear, not clear, lacks structure. Theme expression. Very touching and meaningful. Quite touching, not strong, not appropriate to the theme. Collaboration. Active, supportive, communicative, works well together. Passive, does not contribute. X. Coding and music integration, optional, interdisciplinary. Tools. Sonic Pi, EarSketch, for music coding. Simple code example, Sonic Pi, Ruby. Copy edit, live_loop, Semesta do sample, ambi_piano, amp, 1. Sleep 1, end live_loop, heartbeat do sample, drum_heavy_kick sleep 0.75. End. X Learning Resources. Ministry of Education and Culture Music Arts Module Phase F. YouTube tutorials, BandLab, LMMS, Sonic Pi, inspirational sites. https://www.bandlab.com/ https://sonic-pi.net/ https://ears.catch.com/ Inspirational music. nature instrumentals, ethnic music, ambient electronic music. Thank you.